short video today about it. It's held in Palm Desert, and this is the ubiquitous hotel that everybody has. And I'm going into the section. So here are people on stage at demo. Got a few minutes to sell their wares to the room.
Carriers and customers with a focus on travel and transportation. We launched 2 products late last year, and our voice recognition servers are highly scalable and fully automated.
So this is another part of demo. This is actually the demo pit where they people get a different booth and they get to show off their wares, sort of like at CES they do this, and they show it off and try to get people's attention and show things off and demo them, so to speak. Anyway, I'm going to take a look at some and see what's what. What's your big idea? Frankly, I don't have any, so I'm so glad other people do. Mitch Kapor, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
Good. Now, what did you do introducing here at demo?
X marks.
Right, you took off the Fox
We
box.
lost the FO,
Yeah.
the Fox marks, and we added a great web discovery service of helping people find terrific sites they didn't know about that actually sits on top of their current search and browsing experience.
And getting into this business, sort of the browser kind of discovery business, how hard is it right now?
Well, you see, we already have 1.3 million people using the bookmark-sync extension, so that helps a lot. Starting from scratch would be very hard.
Yeah, absolutely. And where do you look at this whole navigation on the web going? I mean, Google sort of dominates in a certain way, but there's all sorts of things happening along the edges.
Well, I think if people try to compete with Google, that's suicidal. If people can find ways to essentially add value on top of what Google is already doing, that can work.
And you're working with Brian, PR, Uber, Guru. What are you seeing that you like?
I'm seeing a lot of stuff. Actually, the first batch was just a rapid fire of good stuff like CC Betty and Citrix, stuff that I'm actually going to use. And I'm uploading those pictures right now for all to see.
Oh, is that your client?
No.
All right, okay, good. Oh,
but
good.
demo is.
Okay, where's social networking now, since you're such a social networking freak?
Wow, where's it now?
Yeah, where's it going?
I'm hoping that it's going in. It's going to contract a little bit in terms of the graph and the whole syndication thing. I need a dashboard that just sort of aggregates all of my presences and relationships so that I can.
Too many?
Yeah.
Interesting, Brian. I can't believe you're saying that.
There's too many, but I really hope that there's some solutions in 09 that are going to help me sort of manage my relationships better across multiple networks.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Walt Mossberg, we're here in this beautiful place. It's snowing back in D.C. where you live, right?
I'm so glad not to be in the snow.
Exactly. Well,
and next to an artificial lake,
exactly.
It's like a dream.
Yeah, there's dancing waters behind you. It's going to be a delightful video here.
Ducks walking around.
Exactly. So tell me, what have you seen here that's interesting at demo?
Well, we just started demo. We just had the first session. I think you're seeing a lot of sort of Web 2.0 things.
Right.
There is a section of the conference coming which is about mobile apps, which are, as you know, are hugely important. But there were a couple of interesting things. There were a couple of things that tried to make your email much more useful. There was one called CC Betty, which is a sort of one of these virtual assistant things, but it's a little different. You copy this basically robot email address on any email where you have multiple people and there's going to be a lot of traffic back and forth, and it creates a website which unifies the whole stream of email and all the images and all the attached documents and videos and anything else in a much more logical way, so you can follow it. And I thought that had some interesting promise. There was a simple one that I think could be really of a lot of use to folks with a funny name of Wabbit. Wabbit. Which all it does is, if it notices an address and contact information in an email, it grabs it in Outlook and puts it in the Outlook address book, which is something Microsoft should have thought of.
Right.
Frankly,
well, yeah. Well, there's a long list of that.
These guys have that. Yeah. And then there were a number of like other kinds of web app sort of things going on.
Big trend? Any big trend you notice?
I think that one of the trends at the conference, of course, is there are fewer companies, there are fewer attendees because of the overall economy. And I think some of the people writing these web apps or apps for your computer or your mobile phone think there is money to be made in apps that help you save money. The other one is green, things that are green. Like somebody was here this morning who has a carbon offset program that something like a carton of orange juice could have a barcode or a code on it that would indicate how they manufacture the
Right.
orange juice that offset the carbon
Interesting.
footprint.
Are you going to be using that? You're just going to drink your orange juice just willy-nilly?
Yes, I'm going to be completely carbon neutral in every
Excellent,
every
Mr.
way.
Mossberg. Well, it's good to see you here
Someday.
in sunny California.
Good to see you.
Hey, Duck, what are you demoing? Got any mobile applications? iQuack? Come on, don't walk away from me.
You got it.
Here's James Joaquin showing off Foxmarks.
Oh.
Foxmarks, which is now Xmarks.
X marks the spot.
Can you do that again?
XMARKS.com.
Excellent demo there.
Xmarks.com.
Little cheerleading. You won the World Cheerleading
Tomorrow morning
Championship.
I'll be a little bit better on stage,
Excellent.
I promise.
Thanks, James. Okay, so anyway, off we go. Wait, I'm trying to get. Come on, James. James, come on. I'll totally use it. Come on, James.
X
Marks the spot. No, I want the
service.
cheerleading version. Come on.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Say you want it.
I want it, baby.
X marks the spot.
Oh, nice. Bring it on. Bring it on.